Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to always show the status bar on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button. In the global section you can find the second option, the status bar, always show status bar, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.